schedule. Okay, let's kick things off with Section 1, the 10x earning opportunity, and how you can maximize those foreign audience yields. So this foundational strategy is really the whole reason this endeavor is worthwhile. That 10x multiplier, it's not just some flashy buzzword. It is the core economic reality of global ad revenue. See, when creators build channels aimed at a domestic audience, let's say viewers in India, they're usually working with a pretty low RPM, or revenue per minute, on your earnings. To put that into perspective, for every benchmark of views where a domestic channel might earn roughly 1 rupee, a channel targeting the USA can pull in about 10 rupees. I mean, that's literally a tenfold difference. The brilliant part of this strategy is that you don't need millions upon millions of views to make a great income. Channels getting a relatively modest 5 to 20,000 views. Moving right along to Section 2, the faceless channel niche. Zero on-camera presence required. Now, you might be thinking, how on earth do I appeal to a US audience if I don't live there? Or maybe my English isn't perfect. Well, the answer is to focus on proven, universal niches like psychology, motivation, and life lessons. These topics translate flawlessly across borders. And the best part? They require absolutely zero on-camera presence. There are highly successful channels out there right now, like No Sense and Simple Mind Map, just dominating this space. We're talking tens of thousands of subscribers and thousands of views, all from posting English-language content about deep, engaging topics. No real faces, just simple animated visuals. Viewers are showing up for the message and the aesthetic, not for the personality of the creator. All right, on to Section 3, scripting with AI tools. This is about automating your content foundation. So we know the why and the what. Now let's get into the how. It all kicks off with scripting. You're going to use AI to completely automate your foundation. This sequence right here is basically your new secret weapon, and it all goes down inside ChatGPT. First up, ask the AI to brainstorm topic ideas for motivational or psychological videos. You'll get a list of maybe 30 ideas, and you just pick one, like why intelligent people overthink. Step 2. Ask ChatGPT to write a captivating 5 to 6 minute English script on that specific topic. But we don't stop there. Step 3 involves prompting the AI to break that script down scene by scene, writing out specific image prompts for every single moment. And finally, Step 4, ask it to write animation prompts for those images. Just like that, in a matter of minutes, you've got a fully written English script and a complete blueprint for your visuals. Now, if you're kind of worried about the quality of an AI-generated English script, check this out. This is an actual line generated during this exact process for content that's going to genuinely resonate with a US audience. That brings us to Section 4, generating visuals and audio, using free AI tools for a premium look. Here's the absolute best part. This entire process is completely de-risked because every single tool you need is 100% free. You're using ChatGPT for the scripting. For your images, you use Google FX, which whips up incredible 16:9 aspect ratio images in seconds. To animate those static images, you just drop them into Meta AI or Veer AI. And for that high-quality professional English voiceover, you head over to OpenFM. You're essentially creating a premium, professional-looking product without paying for a single software subscription.
Section 5, editing for maximum engagement, putting the puzzle together. Okay, so now you've got a folder full of animated video clips and a stellar audio file. The good news? You don't need fancy, complex software for this. A free mobile app like InShot works perfectly. You import all your video clips in sequence and then drop in your audio track. Now here's a crucial pro tip. Boost that audio volume up to 200% so it sounds really crisp and authoritative. But the absolute most important step here is trimming out the empty silences. When you look at the audio waveform, you'll see these flat lines where the AI voice took a breath or paused. You've got to snip those out and push the audio clips right up against each other. Why? Because dead air absolutely kills viewer retention. By tightening up the audio, the final product feels punchy and fast-paced. Finally, just stretch or trim your video clips so they line up perfectly with the pacing of the words. And finally, Section 6, your daily production schedule, building the 30-minute content machine. This is where it all comes together. The ultimate takeaway from this explainer is that you can actually run this entire operation in just 30 minutes a day. Seriously, the first 5 minutes are spent in ChatGPT generating your script and your prompts. The next 10 minutes are hyper-focused on piecing those prompts into Google FX and Meta AI to generate your short video clips. From minutes 15 to 20, you're generating and downloading your voiceover. And those final 10 minutes, that's all spent in your editing app, clipping out the silences, aligning the visuals, and hitting export. If you stick to this incredibly tight schedule, producing 1 to 2 high-quality, high RPM pieces of content every single day becomes almost effortless. It's a true content machine. Which brings us to our final thought. We've just mapped out exactly how you can bypass those low-earning local views and tap directly into